Yeah, do me, I said the Holland for them, make me make money. Do the marry more wife.
Good afternoon, sir.
Marry more wife.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, which happen?
Abeg, na here map carry me come. I dey find number 32 Ajanaku Street. See am. Na here map carry me come.
I never tell you, say make you sit down. You just come. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir. So what's good about the afternoon? The next thing you sit down. Now your map carry you come. You say I been no head. This kind for the map.
Abeg, dey serious because I don waka. I no see where I dey go. Na here map come carry me come. No be Ajanaku Street, Tinubu Bola be this.
Wetin happen? Wetin you wan go do for there?
Na person wey I buy something for online. Na he give me this address. Ma come carry am.
Then call the number. Wetin happen? Call the number. Call the number.
I don call the number, e no dey go. I don call the number, na visa phone. The network na visa phone e give me.
Do like this. Make you see so the network na visa phone dey work. You buy something online, they give you visa phone number. Make you call. Do like make you see na visa phone. Maybe you know wetin you talk. Talk am.
Na visa phone they give me, visa phone.
That's the way you talk. It makes sense. You know how many years ago when visa phone don't go.
You tell me say na they buy am, so they still dey use am.
For their own account.
I buy this thing for a hand. I buy deep freezer for a hand. Then tell me say make I call here call carry am. Buy the deep freezer 2.5.
Yes, you talk. You buy deep freezer 2.5. What's the freeze for the deep freezer? What's deep about what you talk now? Does that sound like Rema to you? You buy deep freezer 2.5 million or in safers. You hear rubbish talk, they don't scam you.
They no be scam. I know the man, me and the man they talk for phone.
For
you
which
even listen na your voice. Na you na.
What
Na
you
you.
talk,
Na here, no be here map carry me come. No be here you tell me. Na you oh. Come give me the deep freezer wey I buy for your house. Which one be say they don't scam me where you dey talk?
If I son I will rush you. Come for here, wetin dey do you? Deep waiting. Me, you seem like you see deep freezer for this compound. Yeah, I dey like Konga office. I think I dey like Jumia.
You don't carry head like Russia people. Who you want rush? Come give me. You think I don't know your voice? Even if I never see your face, I know you now. I know you. Come.
But now make you deep freezer.
Come here. We go your house. May you go give me deep freezer what I buy for your house.
Come on for here. Come on for here. That deep freezer no go ever see am. No go ever see am. Rubbish. You just come, visa phone. You first give visa phone number, and you say the price. Then you buy deep freezer 2.5 million. Which one dey freeze for the deep freezer? Yeah, rubbish talk. Yeah.